Not every reward app depends on surveys or promotional offers. Several apps let you earn rewards simply by playing games, walking, scanning receipts, or completing everyday activities, instead of answering questionnaires. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 reward apps that don't rely on surveys or offer walls as their primary earning method, and how each one works. Starting at number 5 is Receipt, Hog. Instead of completing surveys, you earn rewards by uploading receipts from your everyday shopping. The app accepts receipts from many retailers, then awards coins that can be redeemed for rewards. If you're already grocery shopping every week, this takes only a few extra seconds. Number 4 is NJ Cashwalk. Cashwalk rewards users for walking throughout the day. As you reach daily step goals, you collect points that can be exchanged for gift cards in supported regions. Since your earnings come from physical activity, you don't have to complete surveys or promotional offers to participate. At number 3 is Givation. Evation connects with supported health and fitness devices or apps and rewards users for healthy activities, such as walking and tracking workouts. The focus is on everyday health data rather than completing marketing surveys. The number 2 spot goes to Rewarded Play. Available on Android, Rewarded Play lets users earn points by discovering and playing mobile games. Your rewards come from gameplay progression, instead of filling out surveys or installing unrelated promotional offers. Each supported game has its own earning structure, so reviewing the requirements before playing is always a good idea. Taking the number 1 position is Mistplay. Mistplay is one of the best-known gaming reward apps for Android users. After installing supported games through the app, you earn reward units as you continue playing eligible titles. The platform is designed around game discovery, making it a solid choice for people who would rather play games than spend time answering surveys. The biggest takeaway is simple. If you don't enjoy surveys, you still have legitimate ways to earn rewards. Apps like Mistplay and Rewarded Play focus on gaming, while Receipt Hog, Cashwalk and Evation reward activities you're already doing in daily life. Before installing any reward app, check that it's available in your country. Read the payout options, and understand how each app awards points. Choosing an app that matches your daily habits usually leads to a better experience than forcing yourself to complete tasks you don't enjoy. If this list helped you find a better alternative to survey apps, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other comparisons covering the best reward apps that actually pay in 2026.